Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Apollo Pharmacy, coupon codes. Now to redeem these Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes, right, you first need to add something to your cart. So choose what you want to buy right here. Some of them already have offers. Let's say we want to buy something like this one here or some medical equipment. You just go ahead and add this to your cart. Say click here on add. Okay, then come here, click on view cart. So here I have a cart ready. Okay, one item in my cart. And to add your coupon code or promo code, here at the top you'll see, top right, offers and discounts. Then you click on apply coupon. Okay, but you need to be logged in for this. So you log in, click on apply coupon, enter your coupon code, and it would automatically deduct the coupon promo amount from your final payment. Okay, and you can proceed with paying for it. Really that easy, just to log in. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.